పేరు సంతోష్ రెడ్డి సోమిరెడ్డి అండ్ ఐఎమ్ ద ఫౌండర్ ఆఫ్ సోమిరెడ్డి లా గ్రూప్. మేము ఇక్కడ హైదరాబాద్లో కొత్త నూతన ఆఫీస్ ఇనాగ్రేషన్ చేశాము అండ్ టుడే మార్క్స్ అవర్ 8th year anniversary also for the firm. So we have over 100 professionals working out of 5 offices throughout the world and we practice immigration, litigation, corporate, employment, family and criminal law matters in the US. We don't practice any Indian law, but we support the Indian diaspora. Everyone NRIs ki ikkad nunchi US ki ella vallaki we provide all sort of support, whether visa processing gaani, whether any litigation matters vachina, corporate matters vachina, family law matters vachina, criminal law matters, ఏ issues vachina gaani we are there to support. Okay, ఈ ఆఫీస్ ద్వారా we will be creating employment for over 100. Right now we have 100 employees. It will probably go to 200 employees. But దానికన్నా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఏంటంటే this office will act as a catalyst in the growth of the ecosystem for IT and pharma sector. So any IT company or pharmaceutical company or any manufacturing company that wants to do in business in the US, they can avail our services. Right? Wallaki, we help them from starting their business in the US. Any agreements draft చేసిస్తాము, immigration work చేసిస్తాము. If they have any issues, we handle those to litigate the matters. అది కాకుండా any NRI చాలా మంది they get డొమెస్టిక్ వైలెన్స్ ఇష్యూస్లో ఉంటారు, లేకపోతే క్రిమినల్ లా కేసులో ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయ్యి ఉంటారు. వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా మేము సహాయం అందిస్తాం ఇక్కడ నుంచి. సో ఇక్కడ we will be stationing one of the US lawyers also, so that it will be easy for us to help more number of people. So government has been supportive so far, and they were willing to work with us. In fact, whenever they have a situation where somebody is a victim of domestic violence or somebody is facing some issues with the criminal law issues, and they reach out to us. We actually work very closely with the Telangana government and then also the Indian embassies. So both New York and Washington DC embassies, they work closely with us to help any person of Indian diaspora, any Indians who are present in the US, right? వాళ్ళందరికీ ఏ ఇష్యూస్ ఇచ్చినా కానీ they reach out to us and we help them. So right now we have over 7 attorneys and over 100 legal professionals, so who help clients in diverse areas of law, not only just immigration. We handle litigation, corporate, employment, family, criminal. So we act as a one-stop shop that caters to the needs of all the immigrants coming from Telugu states to the United States.